How's everyone doing? Welcome back. We're going to start off on the Bitcoin 4-hour right here. Yesterday, we were talking about hoping to break through resistance right here. We got rejected. Found support back here down around $35,000, about $35,600, right in that range. Our most bullish scenario would be play around in this channel. Like if we could get out of this trend here and break through resistance, that would be a very bullish signal. There's definitely a little bit of uncertainty in the market. I'm not too sure this is what we're gonna see. One possible scenario would be that we play around in here, hit resistance here, we fall back down and play in this, just play in our channel here. And the reason for that is the FOMC meeting yesterday kind of left a lot of uncertainty and a lot of questions unanswered. And one of the things that really hurt the market and what caused a little bit of a dip yesterday, this right here. So Powell said, I think there's quite a bit of room to raise interest rates without threatening the labor market. And the market didn't like that. So this was released yesterday, I believe around 3:30 Eastern time, which was right here. I mean, you can see a sharp fall off. Now, Powell did say that rates most likely won't happen until March, but they also didn't rule out them raising them before that as well. The other problem we got right here is inflation has not improved. I believe it's actually gotten worse. These are all things that aren't great for the stock market, and this does matter to us now. I mean, Wall Street's here in crypto. This is something we all have to watch for. Something I want to point out here that could be some short-term upside for us is we're on Bitcoin dominance here. Now, Bitcoin dominance is strong. Altcoins suffer drastically. So for us altcoin investors, we had a bearish retest right here, which also gave us this double top. So hopefully what we could expect to see here is maybe some more downside. Maybe we'll, and then fall below that support. This would be the most bullish scenario for altcoins. Next, we're going to look at USDT dominance. Now, same thing here. This actually looks bullish for crypto. So, when USDT is strong, everyone's pulling their money out of coins and they're holding on to it in Tether. So, if you can see here, we're almost forming this head and shoulder pattern, which is bearish. And we're at support right now, right here. So if this fails, our next level is going to be down here, which I don't have a line for. And, we could expect maybe a small bounce there. And downside, these are a little different than charting out actual coins, but you can kind of use the same idea on these. Well, at least I do, and it tends to work out pretty well. All right, so we're going to check in on Matic. We've been talking about Matic a bunch lately. Matic is super strong in my opinion. I am the most bullish on Matic out of all coins. And the reason for that is all the reasons we went over in our past videos. Now with Matic, we got this inverse head and shoulders forming. So what I'm expecting here out of Matic to break to the upside and onward. Now Bitcoin does have to cooperate with us along with Bitcoin dominance. We want to see Bitcoin dominance down. We want to see Bitcoin doing well. Also, we need all the pieces of the puzzle to fit together. All right, so here onto the Luna 1-hour chart, and Luna's looking pretty strong to me. We got a double bottom forming right here. We also got some bullish divergence forming with that double bottom. These are all good signs. Luna's been a pretty strong coin overall. Before this, dip, Luna was at all-time high. So the momentum was there. We're gonna want to see volume come in, and we want to see Bitcoin perform well too, because that's kind of what we need, as well as Wall Street. So trading crypto hasn't gotten any more difficult, but it has gotten more complex. It's just more pieces to the puzzle. Everything's still the same fundamentally wise, but you have to check a lot more sources. You have to be a lot more educated on this. You really need to Really need to have all the feelers out there. Scan everything you possibly can. Don't jump into anything just because there's hype online. Now with Luna, there is one thing that I am cautious of. So we do have the double bottom. We got our bullish divergence down here. However, there's something that we do want to watch for. That's this descending triangle. Now, descending triangles are a bearish pattern that most likely fall to the bottom. So this is something to watch for. Now, best case scenario, we get above resistance here, then we can break out of our downtrend right there and off to the races. Or we could stay in this here and then follow at the bottom. If you do get this break to the upside, then we'll be seeing gains out of Luna. So it's just a waiting game. We want some confirmation before going into anything, as always. And that is going to do it for today, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like down below. Leave a comment down in the comment box. Subscribe if you haven't yet. All that stuff helps, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.